Glock bows down to earn its crown. Bending steel to legislation, locked and neutered, forced to drown. Princes of compliance cheer, now the future